Okay, welcome to step 5, how to install plugins. Plugins are those things that's the functions of your blog. You don't need to know computer programming. Okay, so like for instance, the star rating system, search engine optimization, all those things dealing with the meta tags. You have plugins that can shape those for you, tracking your traffic, your web traffic, that data. You can you can have a plugin such as Jetpack activated and track your visitors that come to your blog. You can hide posts. You have plugins for hiding posts that you don't want to be seen on a front page from the search engines. You have all of those things. Okay, so that is what plugins are. Plugins are for operating for the actions of your blog, the interactivity of your blog. Okay, it has all types of plugins that will change the way your blog operates. It's a great way of managing your blog without having to know computer programming. So how do you install plugins? Simple. All you have to do is log into your blog, go to your dashboard, hop over here on your left bar, go to plugins as you see right here, hover over plugins and press add new. Okay. After you've done that, then all you need to do is scroll down here and type in whichever plugins that you want to install on your blog. Okay. So the type of plugins I've installed on this blog, let me show you. So here are the top plugins that you will want to install on your blog. Okay, here they go. All right, you want optimize, auto-optimize. You want to search for that and activate it. You can also view the details of each plugin that you install. As you can see right here, you can check out the description, what it is that you're about to install, the installation process, what you need to do, the facts about it, reviews on it, things like that. And this is the entire documentation on this plugin. Okay, it even tell you who's the author of it and different things like that. Okay, so it would be auto-optimize. Let's scroll down here. You want the this already comes with the installation, the WordPress installation, the Jetpack by WordPress. Go ahead and activate it. Okay. You also want super hide posts. That is for hiding the front, hiding your article that you don't want to necessarily show on the front. Okay, of your website, your blog. Okay. Wordpress, I would suggest you go ahead and download Wordpress for backing up your WordPress installation. So just in case your blog goes down, something happens with your web hosting, then Wordpress you have a copied backup for your installation. All your information, your articles, everything will be saved. Okay, so I do suggest you go ahead and get that service, or just search for backup, WordPress backup plugins, and find a plugin that will back up your WordPress installation. Okay, so because you don't want to get all that work done and then something bad happens and you lose it all. You want to back it up, and this will back it up every hour or so. Okay, so you have WP post ratings. WP post ratings is the star system, the star rating system, where you can install, once you've installed this plugin, you can activate it, place the code on whatever post that you want to have the star rating system on, and have your users rate your post. Okay, which is awesome. You have Yoast SEO. Yoast SEO controls the search engine optimization process of each article and your front title and description of your home page of your blog. Okay, so for instance, check out this right here. Web hosting throne right here. You see web hosting throne. This is my title and this is my description right here. of my website. I've used this plugin to manipulate my meta tags and my description tag to display this information in search. Okay, so this plugin is super great for editing your search engine results. Okay, so if you want your title to be whatever wherever you want your title to be, you can place it here in the search engine, and your description, and it's all provided through this plugin. Okay, so that is how to install a WordPress plugin. All you have to do is, just like I said, go to plugins, go to add new, and then scroll down and search whatever plugin that you want. So that is what it is. Just go and look for whatever you want, and I've just shown you the top 5 plugins that I use for my blog. Okay, so again, I'll see you in step number 6, and in fact I will give you great information on how to install those plugins properly. Okay, so join me in step 6 on on how to create an About Me page and a Contact Us page. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in step 6.